Hey guys, I got this Dewalt handheld angle grinder here. I bought it overseas, so it came with this 13 amp plug on here, and obviously can't plug it in here in the States. And so, I mean, the thing is brand new. So what I want to do is just try something. That off. I'm gonna go ahead and sacrifice this old Black & Decker drill here. I've got 3 other corded drills. This thing's done. There's the old plug on it. This thing's seen its day. I might do what's inside on this just for fun, but this thing's toast. So I'm gonna steal the plug off it, see if I can make it work for that grinder. See if I can make these two somehow line up and work, but I'll go ahead and strip them back and splice them together. All right, just a guess here, I'm gonna go brown and black and then blue and white together. I'll put a wire nut on these. All right, let's plug it in. I'm so happy about this, so check it out.